Let's learn how to play C sharp slash D flat on the trumpet. The first thing that we should do is try to buzz it on our mouthpieces. So listen carefully and try to match the pitch with your buzz. 1, 2, 3, and buzz. Although C sharp and D flat, they have the same pitch, they sound the same, they are spelled differently. So C sharp is on the first ledger line below the treble clef staff, while D flat is just one step above it, also below the staff. Now we finger these two notes the same. It's 1, 2, and 3, and we kick out this third valve tuning slide to help with intonation because this note tends to be a little sharp.